Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this guide video, I will show you how to log in TodayTix account. So first of all, launch open TodayTix application. If you do not have this application, you can download it from Play Store and App Store. You can see over here TodayTix application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. At bottom, you'll be able to find several options over here. You'll be able to find the options for home, search, others and account. Simply tap on the option account. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the sign up or login interface. From here you'll be able to sign up or log into your account. You can either sign in with Google, email address or Facebook. So simply tap on the sign in method that you had used while creating your account. Here I'm just going to enter my email address. So if you also want to do that, simply provide your email address. Now tap on the continue option. Now you can see over here a security code will be sent to your email. What you have to do is open the Gmail app. You can see over here Gmail has been opened. TodayTix has sent me the email, so simply tap on it. Now you'll be able to see your security code over here. You can also automatically log in by simply tapping on this link, automatically log in. Otherwise, simply memorize this code. Go back to the TodayTix application. Now what you have to do is simply enter that code over here. Now wait for a while. Now you can see over here you'll successfully be logged into your account. So that is how you log in TodayTix account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.